Every teacher knows the feeling. A stack of 200 assignments lands on your desk, and you're suddenly looking at an entire week of grading. This creates a difficult tension. The sheer volume of work makes it nearly impossible to give every student the fair, consistent, and individualized feedback they actually deserve. Most assessments are designed as a static endpoint. They provide a final score for work already completed, acting as a retroactive measurement rather than a path forward. PrepareBuddy was built on the philosophy that testing should function as a bridge. The goal is to shift the assessment from a final stop into a recurring cycle of feedback and growth. Bridging that gap requires a dual-track architecture. By using intelligent automation to handle the administrative load, the platform can generate the data needed to power a personalized learning experience for the student. For the institution, the workflow begins with flexible exam creation. Teachers can let AI generate a complete test in 30 seconds, import questions from existing spreadsheets, or manually build complex science and math problems with image support. But the core breakthrough is how the platform handles the burden of evaluation at scale without losing human-level precision. When the AI evaluates work, it doesn't rely on blind probability. It first searches your own reference library to find high-quality examples of previous work to use as a benchmark. It then evaluates the student's work within that specific context, comparing it against your references and mapping every score to your specific rubric criteria. This is a glass box model. Every grade is backed by evidence, with the AI extracting direct quotes from the student's work to justify the score. By grounding its logic in your specific benchmarks and the student's actual text, the system achieves a 94% alignment rate with human graders. This evidence-backed approach removes the friction of manual grading while maintaining the transparency required for integrity. While the AI handles grading, it simultaneously changes the experience for the student sitting the exam. The platform uses an adaptive testing engine that adjusts difficulty in real time. It uses the same logic found in the GRE and GMAT, where the system reacts to every answer the student provides. Stronger students are pushed with more challenging material, while the engine identifies weaker areas and instantly pivots to serve targeted remedial questions to address those gaps. Once the test is over, the student receives more than a raw score. The adaptive data is used to generate a personalized study plan immediately. These plans include module-based progression and clear mastery tracking, giving the student a defined path for their next steps. This turns the assessment into a self-sustaining loop, where the testing process itself provides the data necessary for the student to achieve mastery. These institutional and student workflows are supported by a back-end infrastructure designed to eliminate technical hurdles. The system accommodates multimodal submissions, including audio, presentations, and code, and aligns with international frameworks like Pearson BTEC, IB, and Cambridge. It also connects to learning management systems like Canvas and Blackboard, providing automatic grade passback to keep institutional records updated in real time. Administrative tasks like enrollment tracking, multi-currency billing, and status transitions all run in the background without requiring any manual scheduling. By combining the transparency of Glassbox AI with a personalized adaptive loop, the platform delivers faster grading and smarter learning. This is assessment reinvented.